The bar chart gives information about weekly sport activity participation. As you can see, Thursdays experience the highest amount of participation, which is 92. The second place comes to Friday, which is 72. On the other hand, Monday experienced the lowest amount of participation, which is only 15. Saturday only experienced 25 people to participate in sport activities. Overall, it's about weekly sport activity participation.
The given picture provides information about weekly participation. From the picture, it is obvious that weekly sports activity participation is the subtopics of the picture. From the picture, it is clear that on the x-axis there is day of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, while on the y-axis there is number of participation from 20 to 80. From the picture, it is clear that on the Thursday is maximum, which is 92, while on Monday is lowest, which is at 25, while Tuesday 20, Wednesday 34, Saturday 25, Friday 72, and Sunday 68. In conclusion, the picture provides information about weekly participation in sport activity.
This is a bar chart showing weekly sports activity participation. X-axis shows days of the week from Monday to Sunday and Y-axis shows number of participants. The highest number of participants participated in weekly sports on Thursday, which was 92. The lowest number participated on Monday, which was 15. 25 participated for sports in Saturday. Overall, this sums up weekly sports activity participation.
The image provided is taken from a bar chart which shows the weekly sports activity in participation. We can see on the x-axis the graph different weeks, days of the month like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to the Sunday. While on the y-axis we can see number of participants from 0 to 80 number. We can also see in the bar chart that the Thursday having the highest number of participants like 92, while on the Monday there are lowest participants like 15 in number. In summary, we can see the weekly sports activity participation in different days of the week in detail in the bar chart.
The given bar graph shows the information about weekly sports activity participation. The x-axis shows the day of weeks, which are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The y-axis shows the number of participants starting from 0 to 80. Moreover, the maximum can be seen at 92, which is on the Thursday. However, the minimum can be seen at 15, which is on the Monday. In conclusion, it can be seen that the weekly sports activity participation has fluctuated throughout the time.
This bar graph presents information about weekly sports activity participation. From the x-axis, you could see days of the week from Monday to Sunday, while on the y-axis, you could see the number of participants from 0 to 80. The highest percentage belongs to the day Thursday with 92, while the lowest is Monday with 15. It can be seen that Friday has 72, which is higher, followed by Sunday with 68. Overall, this shows weekly sports activity participation.
The bar chart provides information about the weekly sport activity participation. In the beginning, it highlights several key aspects related to the Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Saturday. Also, it shows that the Thursday is the highest sport activity, about 92. Moreover, it indicates that the Monday is the lowest sport activity, about 20%. In conclusion, it gives a clear overview about sport activity.
The graph indicates weekly sports activity participation. Firstly, it indicates number of participants in the y-axis and the day of the week in the x-axis. Furthermore, there are many elements such as 80, 60, and 40. The highest one is 92, which is on Thursday, and the lowest one is 15, which is on Monday. Moreover, I can see an upward trend emerging in the graph. Overall, the image provides significant facts about activity participation.
The image provided is a bar chart that gives information about weekly participation. While right side talks about weekly sports activity participation and also left side talks about number of participation, and also the highest number is 80 and also the lowest is 0, and also some bar graph are also showing here, and also its color is yellow, orange, and also some days are showing here in week, and also Saturday and also weekly, and also Thursday is the highest 92, and also the lowest is Monday 15. And also second highest position is the 72 is Friday, and also Sunday is the third position 68, and also that Thursday is the 20, and also the Wednesday 34 as well, and also lastly Saturday is 25. Another interesting.
The chart gives clear information about weekly sports activity participation, which is clearly shown on top of screen. After highlighting the main topic, the chart shows more information about many other factors that representing a various number. After deeper study, it is clear that the maximum portion comes from the first category shown by a very beautiful colors. Lastly, the chart shows Thursdays with the highest number of participation, which is 92 number, while Monday is with the lowest number of participation, which is 25.
The following picture gives the information about the weekly participation, weekly sports activity participation. On the x-axis from the picture, it is clear that there are days of the week starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whereas on the y-axis, it is the number of participants starting from 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. On Monday being the lowest, that is 15, whereas on the Thursday being the highest, that is 92, and mid being the Saturday, that is 68. Overall, this picture gives information about the weekly participation of the sports.
The graph gives information about weekly sports activity participation. So it includes from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of the week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the numbers of participants are from 20, 40, 60, and 80. So the highest number of participants is in Thursday, which is the day of the week, which is in which 92 participants are participated. And in Friday, there are 32 participants participated, and in Sunday, there are 68 participants. Additionally, in Tuesday, there are only 20 participants, and in Monday, there are only 15 participants, which is the least amount.
The given picture describes the weekly sports activity participation. On x-axis, days of the week are mentioned, while on y-axis, number of participants are mentioned. From this picture, we can see on Monday, minimum number of people come, which is 15, while on maximum number comes on Thursday, which is 92%. After Thursday, Friday has more number, which is 72. Overall, this picture describes the weekly sports activity participation.
The bar graph represents weekly sports activity participation. It mainly provides detail on different categories including days of week and number of participants. On the one hand, Thursday is the maximum, which can be seen at 92 participants. On the other hand, Monday is the minimum, which can be seen at 15 participants. Overall, the bar graph shows the crucial information on weekly sports activity participation.
The bar graph shows the information about the weekly sports activity participation. It shows many things in the picture, which include x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis include the days of the week, which include Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. And the y-axis include the number of the participants, which include 20, 40, 60, etc. After proper scanning the image, it is clear shown that the Thursday is having the highest number of the participants, which include 92%, and the Monday is having the lowest number of the participants among the all, which is around 15%. Overall, the image is very informative and it is provided the important information about the weekly sports activity participation.